It is election season, and what you're seeing on your screens is basically makki di roti and sarson da saag. And that is reflective of the temperature of Punjab. It is freezing cold in Punjab, but when you talk about the elections, it is boiling hot, which is why we need some of our favorite food. Praji, tera dena thoda ja. Dena mainu ek plate ch. And as I gobble up some saag and makki di roti, what we're going to be doing also in addition to that is talking to the people of Punjab and getting a sense from them, and oh my god, this is beautiful, from them about what is happening in the Punjab elections. What is really going on? Who is winning? Who is losing? And what is it that they really talk about when they're having food in the dhabas of Punjab? This is Dhaba Buzz. We are right now at a very symbolic location of Punjab. It's called Sada Pind, not Sada Punjab as some others have called it in the past. We have a lovely audience that is already eating and did not wait for me. Clearly, they're having their makki di roti and sarson da saag. Welcome to the show, all of you. Thank you. All right, I want to start by actually putting this down. Can you hold this for me? Thank you. I will eat this in a bit. Don't eat it. I want to start by asking a very senior member of the Amritsar area. Sir, which way is this election going, and when you're sitting and eating at home, what is it the first thing that you talk about?
Obviously, it's an election season, and everybody will talk about elections. And your question, which way the elections is going? Elections are going. I think it's obvious. It's going to be a hung assembly, if I'm not wrong. Somebody can correct me later, but we are enjoying. We are enjoying the dance of democracy, and we are enjoying this makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. You see, Amitoj, we were looking for it, and you just gave us this chance to come over and enjoy this. Thank you.
All right, okay, so that's what's really happening. As you can see, people joining in, walking out, giving us a sense of the flavor of Punjab. Now, just to remind our viewers, there is the Congress, of course. There's the Aam Aadmi Party as a new entrant that has made this a tricornered contest. And the Akali BJP alliance is facing that 10 years of anti-incumbency. And I want to ask people, 10 saal jo ithe si, Akaliyan te Punjabiyan, Akaliyan te BJP, do you think because of the fact that they have 10 years, they've had 10 years in the government, that may go against them this time?
We were expecting the same thing last elections also.
Okay, interesting.
But and so happened they continued their tenure. So this time also you don't know. You never be sure about Punjab. In Punjab you can never be sure about anything.
But what
they
is
can
your
come
feeling?
back again.
You're from Amritsar North, right? That's
See,
right?
the general feeling is Congress has the upper hand. But they have been there. Akali BJP has been there.
Okay.
And you can never count them out.
Okay, so you are from a different area of Punjab. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਜਲੰਧਰ ਤੋਂ ਹੋ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਜਲੰਧਰ ਚ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਨਕੋਦਰ ਤੋਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਹਾਂ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਨਕੋਦਰ ਏਰੀਆ
ਓਕੇ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਤੇ ਕੌਣ ਜਿੱਤ ਰਿਹਾ ਉੱਥੇ
ਉੱਥੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਚੋਰ ਦਾ ਆਮ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਦਾ ਹੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ
ਆਮ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਦਾ okay, so there you have it. So it seems like it's the Congress in Amritsar is what he's saying, and the Aam Aadmi Party in other areas. You're young. The Aam Aadmi Party seems to be reaching out to the young voter a lot. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, so what do you have to say about that?
I think ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿ young generation ਇੰਨੀ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਆ politics ਵਿੱਚ.
Okay.
And I'm a big supporter of our party. Okay. I'm actually from Australia.
Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah,
so you understand the concept of NRIs right now who are coming and supporting the Aam Aadmi Party, even though the Congress and the Akalis say that they should be sent back.
I don't care what they are saying, but ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਆਸਟ੍ਰੇਲੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਆਇਆ, I was a big supporter of them and still I am. And ਦੁਆਬੇ ਏਰੀਆ 'ਚ ਥੋੜਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਵੀ ਆਮ ਆਦਮੀ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਥੋੜੀ ਕਮਜ਼ੋਰ ਆ. ਹਾਂ. But thanks to the NRIs, I think they're doing really good now.
Okay. So there are three areas: Doaba, Majha, Malwa. Malwa is where majority of the seats are, more than 60, and Malwa is where the real action is for the Aam Aadmi Party. Majha and Doaba, two other areas of Punjab, they have a lot lesser seats, just about 25. Therefore, it's different. What is the number one issue that you talk about at home with your friends on the drawing room when you're having a drink?
Number one issue what we talk about is where Punjab is.
Okay.
Where Punjab is. Because what we're reading newspaper, hearing people, having chitter chat, what the total assumption is people are fed up of the present government. They are not have that much faith in Congress. Where they should go?
Okay.
They don't have any option.
But what
Because-
about the Aam Aadmi Party?
Yeah, Aam Aadmi is there, but it's not that effective. And matlab the leher is totally in Malwa area. Majha, you don't see that much of Aam.
Okay.
And this time I tell you, every time, day before last, we have seen Malwa makes a chief minister.
Oh.
Yeah, Malwa makes a government.
Okay.
But this time the swing is in Majha. The Majha swing will decide
Okay.
whose government is going to be formed.
Okay. So
This time Majha is the
Okay, I want to ask another thing. You can always feel free to tell me that I want to say something. Huh? What about Navjot Singh Sidhu? I want to ask you. You are all in Amritsar. He's really the face of Amritsar. What do you have to say about Navjot Singh Sidhu joining the Congress, flirting with the Aam Aadmi Party, leaving the BJP before that?
Navjot Singh Sidhu has decided to join finally Congress. He might have had some deal or some argument with Aam Aadmi Party.
Okay.
They might have not agreed.
Yeah.
But the thing is that he has a lot of fan following. Right from the time when he was a cricketer, now he has viewers like in the Kapil show.
Okay.
And he has a lot of fan following, what I believe, and he can use that in particular without even promoting himself a lot in going to the constituency.
Because you think it's a clean sweep for him. He's going to be very easily a winner.
It's a trio contest in each and every constituency. Earlier it was Akali BJP versus Congress.
Okay.
This time it is Aam Aadmi Party as well. But who knows that how many votes can it be converted into Aam Aadmi Party in Majha region as well.
Okay. What about ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ? What is the number one issue? Number one issue ਪੰਜਾਬ 'ਚ elections ਕੀ ਹੈ?
ਇਸ਼ੂ ਤਾਂ ਕੁਛ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਬਟ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅੱਜ 10 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਅਕਾਲੀ ਬੀਜੇਪੀ ਰਾਜ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ।
ਹੁਣ ਲੋਕ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਕਿ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਿਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਯਾਰ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ, ਲੱਗਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ ਮੈਜੋਰਟੀ ਆਏਗੀ।
Okay.
ਹੰਗ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਆਏਗੀ ਜੋ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ।
ਹੰਗ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਆਏਗੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ? Okay. ਔਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜੀ?
ਜੋ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਆਮ ਆਦਮੀ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਦੇ ਆਉਣ ਨਾਲ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਹੰਗ ਹੀ ਆਏਗੀ, ਬਟ ਹੁਣ ਪਿਛਲੇ 4-5 ਸਾਲਾਂ 'ਚੋਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਮੈਂਟ ਵੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ। ਕੋਈ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਲਾਸਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਅਕਾਲੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਣਗੇ।
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸ ਤਰਫ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ? ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਕਿਸ ਤਰਫ ਹੈ ਹੁਣ?
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਰਿਪੀਟ ਕਰ ਜਾਣਗੇ
Akali BJP?
Yes, sir.
There you have it. So that's why this election has been... Sorry, yeah.
See, the point is this elections, everyone is going to be judged. Who has worked is going to come back.
Okay.
Whom the people think is going to work and is a little sincere, he is going to come back. So it's not about parties this time. It's becoming about individual elections.
Individual.
It's becoming like that.
Yeah. come
ਇਸ
to you.
ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਜੀ ਜਿਸ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਨੇ, ਜਿਸ ਐਮਐਲਏ ਨੇ, ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰ ਨੇ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵੋਟਾਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਪੈਣਗੀਆਂ। ਉਹ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੀ ਹਲਕੇ ਦਾ ਹੋਵੇ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਦਾ ਹੋਵੇ। ਜਿਸ ਨੇ ਕੰਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਵੋਟ ਪਾਉਣ ਨੂੰ ਤਿਆਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗਾ।
Okay. I'll come
So
back.
I say those who say that a lot of development has happened in last few years,
Okay.
they are ignoring a few very basic facts.
Okay.
The development is only apparent development. A few roads have come up, few such structures have come up, few memorials have come up, few museums have come up. That is the only
And
development.
Sada Pind has come up where we are right
And at what cost? At what cost? Punjab's GDP has sunk to 15th rank in India now. We are below national. We are below national GDP. The government is pledging its buildings. It's pledging its colonies.
but sir,
and then using the money to for freebies.
I don't understand one thing. Why is it that drugs is something that in Punjab people speak about very little? They're almost scared, and now the code of conduct has come in. They are talking about it openly. Am I right about that? No? Sorry?
We are very open. We were vocal regarding that.
People are vocal. You
Yes,
think?
people. Now the thing is, the funniest thing is, the government says they don't have the recruitment is done. The machine came from USA. The youths were tested in police recruitment time. The minimum people. What do you call?
So the Akali government basically did say
Positive.
that they did a test on all police
Somebody
officials.
should ask them. Somebody should ask them why then this drugs leaving centers. Why these centers? Why they are talking on even in the manifesto?
Rehabilitation centers,
Even
why are they
even,
making
yes, even in the manifesto.
Yeah,
Even
today's
in
manifesto
they're
they've
talking about
said
drugs.
they said
Why?
war on drugs. They're going to have a war on
If
drugs.
you don't have a drug, why the war? Why the war?
Okay, I want to actually
Why
talk to some
the war?
Akali BJP
That
supporters.
Means, that means you are accepting that yes, drug is there, whether we speak or not.
Okay.
Drug is there.
Okay.
Rehabilitation centers for ladies.
For ladies.
They've opened for the ladies, for the
Ladies.
females.
Okay. Okay.
Done.
Interesting. Unfortunately, on this show, the ladies were too shy. I don't know what it was, but probably it was my appearance. That's probably what it was. We were talking about some of the freebies, and I want to mention them because today, or rather, today we had actually the Akali Dal, again reflecting on their manifesto, mentioning again that they have done so much, and the Congress also suggesting in many ways that the Akali Dal has copied our manifesto in terms of the freebies that they are giving: atta, dal, sugar, free schemes for farmers, loan waivers, etc. Ghee also, sugar at a lot at a lighter cost. What is all of that? Will Punjabis buy that and vote for that? And all parties are doing it, huh? All parties are doing. Yeah.
Tell you, the people say the manifesto is wherever the election is down in India, we say when they place their manifesto X, Y, Z, any party, they say it's on paper. And I tell you, literally it means height. In Punjab, it's on paper. Any party's manifesto. It will be on paper, it will get folded, and it will go to the dustbin.
Sorry. Why is it that at a rally of Subir Badal, whether I have been for Captain Amrinder Singh, Arvind Kejriwal, all these three rallies that have been for Bhagwant Man's rally, people are coming and it's almost even. You don't know Yeah. No, let him reply. Yeah.
So my point is that there's still a big chunk of population which is actually not aware what is happening around, how the resources are going to be,
That's my point.
taken care of.
That's exactly
See,
my point.
I think on development, the people are not getting the clear picture.
They're not getting the.
They are not getting the clear picture.
Okay. So
They are not getting the picture at what cost the development has been actually.
All right, NRIs, I want to talk to you about this as we take a short break and then we'll be back with a little more. Specifically, do you think that the NRIs who are coming out here and supporting both the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party are going to make a significant difference? Or significant meaning really big difference,
Yeah, I'm not sure about the Congress, but I think for
Congress is actually afraid of the NRIs. Like
Yeah.
yesterday I was reading a news that the captain is saying like we have to stop the volunteers, those who are coming from outside the state, and even the NRIs because they are the big threat. I don't know what kind of a threat.
being a chief minister, like Sukhbir Singh Badal, he's saying,
Singh Badal,
deputy chief minister, sorry, he's giving those stupid, I would say stupid statements. He's saying that in NRIs they are terrorists, like they're supporting.
Okay, that's a stupid statement
yeah,
according to you. All right,
according to me.
Okay.
Yeah, but I think like when we are sitting on the dining table and talking to the friends, and
The
they be like,
buzz, huh?
yeah, and they say you are NRIs, you're not gonna live here. Why you are supporting? Why are you doing this?
You don't have
And I'll be like,
that much concern about
I don't live in Punjab, but I wanna live in Punjab again. My parents live there, my family, but I want them to see that change we see.
Okay. All right. I see that all of your plates have gone back in the manjis that we are sitting on. So what we're going to do is take a short break. I'm very hungry. We're going to have a little bit more of the makki di roti and sarson da saag. Go back there from the lovely area out there and get those. And do join us on Dhaba Buzz.